Ukarar ke sangma menteri rangba kajala kasiba arja katayo ulai thu bakatnat pulit jo kajala kadang Pynlong Jingtohkit Halor ke Jingpyndonkam Bakla ki kali dau we pulit ulong ru bakasarkar kasashimkhia balle ek Jingpyndonkam onda klalap ek shisha baro.
It's not that we just start using big words into the entire process without understanding what really happened inside it. So, obviously, if there is anything wrong that's happened, definitely we will go ahead and put some inquiry into these things. But as I was mentioning even about a week or 10 days back, that from overall initial looks of everything that's happening, it looks like there was some issues that were concerning the allotment that took place, some delay and some use of or misuse of certain areas. But in principle, the procedures look to be in place. That's what it looks like. But of course, the department is going into the entire inquiry. They will go into the details and they will come out with their findings. And as per the suggestions that are given by the Home Department and the officials, we will definitely take action regarding this. And we're not, here to not take action. All I'm saying is that it's not correct for us to just jump to a conclusion, even from the press side, and just start using big words just to get the attention of the public. It doesn't look proper. Yes, if there are facts and figures, and it comes out if something is there, then it's fine. But I don't think it's proper to just limit. So let the process continue. And as I said, we will ensure that whatever has to be done from our side, we've never shied away from any inquiry, any commissions, any inquiry that has to be done. We will not shy away from that either. So there's no problem in that, and we will do what it takes.